to the Ilikai Hotel tour. Here we are out the front of the hotel, approaching the main entrance. So here you can pull up, drop your bags off. Coming around the corner, you've got a double staircase as well as an escalator to get up to the main level of the lobby. It's a beautiful open space. When you head on up, you've got the centerpiece water feature. Over to the right, they're just replacing the water, but the left side is functioning beautifully. Look at that. It's so green and lush. So as we enter the main lobby here, you'll notice over here to the left, there is 5 elevators. It can get quite busy in the mornings when you're trying to catch a lift down here to the main lobby. It's very nice and open. It's a very large space. It's got beautiful flower ornaments here in the center, a beautiful tropical touch. Okay, coming up to our left, we have the open seating area. So this here is a nice space to sit while you're waiting to check in, or if you've got multiple families staying at the hotel while you're waiting for them to come down in the morning. It's a great little meeting space. You've got your check-in desk. Here is our Hertz car rental, and that is closed on Saturday and Sundays. We're now heading out the back. I love just how open air it is. So you've got, no windows, no doors. It's all very open. It's great that you've got the fresh air coming in and you can feel the sunshine and the warmth. Let's come down this way. I haven't been down this way yet. Beautiful greenery in the gardens. Everything is just so green and lush. It's a great selection of plants, very tropical with the palm trees. It gives off a very nice summer vibe. All right, so we are now coming around to what I like to call the main courtyard. Okay, so the main courtyard is closer towards the ocean, but this is all quite connected. So we're going to come around the way we just came from, but back through the garden. So you've got, again, lots of beautiful palm trees. I think that we've got some robolinis in there. And we are now heading back towards the main lobby. So we've just done a nice big loop. So yeah, there's your seating area that we were just at. We've now turned around and we're heading back through the center of that main open garden. It's such a lovely place for photos and just having a morning stroll on your way out to the main courtyard. All right, so here we are. We're looking at it now. We've got the main courtyard. And on a Friday night and a Sunday, they've got entertainment out here. So last night we were watching the hula dancers and they were playing live music, and it was just a great entertainment evening. They position all the chairs in rows so you feel like you're watching a bit of a concert. All right, so we're walking towards the marina. As you can see over here to the left, you do have seating options for the day. All right, now just next door here is the Modern Hotel. You've got views of the marina, the ocean, the lagoon. Stunning, stunning views. We are staying on level 2 of the hotel. So it's just here in the frame where you can see those big balconies. So we are staying literally right there. Yep, just that room there. It's beautiful views, beautiful. All right, so that there is the outdoor seating area. Let's keep walking along. There is very easy access, very easy access to the lagoon next door. So the Hilton Hawaiian Village has a large lagoon. Anyone can go use it, and all you have to do is walk along here from the Ilikai Hotel, down the ramp, and then enter through the gate. So it's very, very short walking distance. Over in the lagoon, you can hire stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, or just go swimming. They've also got some little benches here you might want to sit on as well. All right, so just in here, we've got the beer and wine and bar. So I think that's connected to the restaurant. But yeah, you can sit in there and have a beverage. As I come through here, we're about to look at the pool. Here it is to my right. Nice large pool, lots of seating area. They've got chairs that viewers can just sit there and sunbathe while the kids have a play. All right, we're going to go back inside now. We're coming through. We'll head back around to the Cinnamon's restaurant very shortly. Ooh, we're about to feel the air conditioner. This is the exciting part. When it's so warm outside and you see a door, you're like, oh, here comes the air conditioner. Oh, there it is. Oh, so nice and cooling. All right, so in here we've got lots of different stores. There's really bits and pieces of everything. Now back down here is where we're going to find the restaurant. There's our elevators again to the right. So as you can see, like we've just done that big full loop. Again, open corridors, so it's very, very tropical. All right, over here to our left, we have the Cinnamon's Hotel restaurant. You can come here, get a bite to eat. Let's just have a little sneak peek in there. There was a variety of stuff on their menu. We had a little look last night, and there was a good selection. Okay, so now we've turned around. Look, more shops here to the right. They've got a little convenience store. There was even some wedding dresses. You can get your surfboard hire, your stand-up paddleboard hire, bits and pieces, clothing. There's all sorts in here. Although there are still a few vacant shops, but you'll still find bits and pieces down here. It's very easy to navigate through. You won't really get too lost because everything's quite open. Here's the convenience store, so you can buy food, drinks, souvenirs. It also has a ATM in store, so that may come in very handy for other travelers. They've got sunglasses, like all bits and pieces. Very convenient right there. All right, so there's that wedding dress shop I was just telling you about. Coming back through the lobby, here's our elevators again. They also have sanitizer machines up on the wall, so that was handy. All right, let's pop back around. Here it is, the famous ice cream shop. When you stay at the hotel, you are given a voucher for 1 ice cream per day. Here it is, Dave's Ice Cream. Apparently it's very popular, and a lot of people talk about this ice cream store. So if you're staying at the hotel, definitely come and try it out. Here it is. You get 1 voucher per room for 1 free scoop of ice cream a day. Okay, so if you have 4 people staying there, it's not 4 free scoops per day, just 1 voucher per room. Yeah. All right, they also have a in-house doctors. I think coming up here to the right. Yeah, Ilikai Hawaii, here it is. So yeah, you've got a doctor's surgery, which you can pop in there if you need. Hopefully you won't need that while you're staying here on your vacation. We've got the gym and fitness center here to the right, so it's got some equipment. You can continue your fitness routine while away on holidays. All right, now there is an exit out the building this way. I've actually never come this way before. So let's see where this takes us. Maybe it's going down to the car park by the looks of things. It's just so glorious. It's 28 degrees today. Beautiful sunny day. It's the 9th of July here in Hawaii. So I'm just going to come down the stairs. Oh, great. This is the car park. So if you wanted to and you didn't want to go through the front lobby for whatever reason, do know that this little exit door was there just past InCare Hawaii. So coming down, we are now back out on road level where we started our hotel tour journey. We're coming around to the front of the hotel room now. Here we go. And it's very, very nice. Green, lush. I just can't get over this. I've said it so many times, but it's just so tropical here. It's amazing. I think it's just such a big contrast coming from Australian winter to beautiful tropical weather right now. So good. Frangipanis are everywhere. You see them falling on the floor. All right, we've just come back to where we started our tour. Why don't we go up the escalators, and I'll also show you where the lift is, so that if you do have bags like big suitcases or maybe a pram or something like that, or a wheelchair that you need lift access and you can't take the escalator, no, they are just here at the top of the escalators. There they are, elevators where those people were just waiting. Coming back in through the double doors. This is another entrance to the lobby. Back with those beautiful flower ornaments or arrangements. Flowers just make everything, don't they? Okay, it's a busy time. It must be checkout time. We've got people going everywhere. All right, so we are going past those elevators again. Elevators, escalators. It stresses me out every time. Which one's which? All right, so this here is a little hidden secret. So you've got the garage, the car park lift as well, but just past that is the bather's elevator. This is like a little hidden elevator around the corner. And you'll see that it is less busy, although it will take longer for it to arrive. So you've got the parking garage elevator, and then just past that is the bather's elevator. Very handy. Again, it's kind of tucked around the corner, so not many people know about it. So if you're not keen on getting in a jam-packed lift, go around to the bather's elevator. So when we step inside, you can see it's a little bit more unpresentable. Like, it's not as flash as the other elevators just around the corner. But look, if it's less busy, it doesn't matter. You'll also catch a ride up with some of the cleaners sometimes, so that's nice to have a quick little chat. All right, coming out onto level 2 where we are staying, there is the small shallow pool on our level. So we were quite lucky to get on the same level as the shallow pool. Here it is here. You've got lots of sunbathing chairs, and then you've got a few chairs actually set into the water. So it's very shallow. It's only like 1 foot deep or something. It's, very shallow, but nice just to laze around the pool. Great for the small children. All right, heading back to our room. Nice long corridors. It's a 3-winged hotel. So you've got the 3 bays, 1, 2, 3. We are walking towards the bay that's kind of looking out over the ocean or the marina. We are right down the end of the corridor. It's funny when you're book a hotel, sometimes you get it really close to the lifts, sometimes you have to walk a huge distance. Although the bonus with this one, the further you walk, the closer you are to the ocean. So you've got bonuses both ways. Here we are, room 237. We hope you found this Ilikai Hotel tour useful. If it was helpful for you in planning your stay or where to stay, please hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe for more Hawaiian holiday adventures.